Every single wedding day is different. However, they all require quite a bit of planning. To help, we've created the Clever Fox Wedding Planner, filled with helpful tips, prompts, and checklists to ensure every tiny detail is taken care of. This planner comes in a beautiful keepsake gift box and measures 10 by 11 inches. It has a premium quality vegan leather hardcover, sturdy spiral binding, thick 120 GSM no-bleed paper, and a durable elastic band to keep the pages together. Inside, you will also find 6 sheets of colorful stickers with rose gold detailing to help you make every page unique. This planner is divided into 9 tabbed sections, each focusing on a different aspect of wedding planning. Each section includes a durable pocket to store photos, receipts, or fabric samples, so you can keep everything you need in one place. Begin planning by creating a vision for your wedding, deciding on the ideal time for the ceremony, writing down any wedding ideas you have, and creating a detailed vision board. The more details you add, the easier it will be to understand what exactly you want your wedding to be like. Then move on to the wedding countdown and calendar section. Here, you can track your progress from 12 months before the wedding till the wedding day itself. Create a yearly overview and plan each month of your preparations using spacious monthly calendars and setting up to 8 main monthly goals to ensure you do the most important things first. Use the budget planning spread to take care of your wedding expenses. Planning your wedding budget in advance will help you estimate how much you need to spend on organizing your ceremony and avoid any unexpected expenses along the way. You can also use these pages to keep track of your actual spending and deposits to ensure you take care of everything without exceeding your total budget. Next, create a detailed guest list and use dedicated trackers to ensure you've sent the invitations, thank you notes, and allocated a seat at one of the tables to each guest. You can use the seating plan pages to take care of all seating arrangements. Use the wedding venue section to guide you through choosing the perfect venue. Here, you can find helpful questions to ask the venues in advance, list your venue options, and plan your guest accommodations and transportation. The next section is focused on the wedding vendors. Use these pages to choose everything from your wedding invitations to food and bar menus to flower arrangements. Finally, focus on finding your perfect wedding attire and creating vision boards for your wedding dress and your groom's outfit. We've also included comprehensive pages to help you choose the bridesmaids' and groomsmen's attire, as well as your beauty team. When the big day approaches, create a detailed timeline, make a music list, and record you and your partner's vows. This way, you can ensure that everything goes smoothly so you and your guests can truly enjoy your wedding day. We hope this wedding planner will help you plan your dream wedding, whatever it might be. So let your imagination roam free and get to planning. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.